Hello everyone, now we will solve this problem where we can see 2x is equals to root over of 5 plus 1, then show x square minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. Let's solve this. First of all, we can see that we can take 2 this side. So we can write root 5 plus 1 by 2, and as we need x square, so here we will take square both side. So it will be root 5 plus 1 whole square by 2 square, that is, this is a plus b whole square, so root 5 whole square plus 2 into root 5 into 1 plus 1 square by 4, that is 5 plus 1 plus 2 root 5 by 4. So here we can see we can take 2 common because 5 plus 1 6, and from here also 2 common, so we can write 3 plus root 5 by 4. From here 2 4 2, so we are getting x square is equals to 3 plus root 5 by 2. If we put the value in this equation, we are taking the LHS, means left hand side, x square minus x minus 1. If we put the values, we get the value of x square is 3 plus root 5 by 2 minus the value of x is root 5 plus 1 by 2, and this is minus 1. From here 2 is LCM, so 3 plus root 5 minus root 5 minus 1 minus 2. Clearly we can see plus root 5 minus root 5 cancel, and 3, and this is also minus 3, so 0 by 2, that is 0. So this is equals to RHS proved. Thank you for watching.